Hi guys, so today we're at Salt Point. We're gonna do some RC crawling and take some Polaroid photos. So Pablo forgot my battery adapter and I told him it was okay because I didn't think I was gonna have fun doing it, but now that I'm driving the white one, I remember how fun it is.
So I'll video man today and Alyssa will be the driver.
See how good I do today.
Get away from the deadbeat. Follow me, I will show you the light.
Stop right there. Keep going. Bit. Turn it driver, throttle. Here it's gonna get technical, but I believe in you.
Which way?
Going to where the rocks challenge starts, right there. Okay, there you go. Full passenger. Stop. Passenger. Hit the throttle a little bit more.
Starting to sprinkle.
Motor's giving out.
Why?
Because it's brush. The brush is about.
Is mine brushed?
Yeah. Brush, this is better. $80 brushless system, this thing would climb up. It just hurts how it got wet because it makes it harder for it to.
You got it. You got it, you got it.
Cutscene. Still not work? Oh, there
No,
it
it does.
goes. Oh, yeah, this is good. Good. Excellent driving. have here, Alyssa?
These are like the types of shells that hermit crabs like to bury themselves in. I don't know what these are called, but it's
Abalone.
Abalone, yes. So I was trying to find a whole one to keep, but they're all broken within the rocks. Glass looks like after the waves hit it a bunch of times. It gets very, very smooth. And so there's a beach out here called Glass Beach because I guess that was where the dumps were on the beach over there. And over time, the waves hitting it, it broke the bottles and made them into, you know, very smooth, fine glass. See, like, look, I'm not gonna even hurt myself. All right, guys, now let's talk about the truck. So, it was fun. I had a lot of fun driving it today. The only thing that was really annoying was at low speeds, you know, it didn't really want to move forward or go in reverse or turn left or right.
Really? Let's see it.
Well, let's see now. Well, it's probably going to do it now. And then, yeah, now it does it.
But under load, it just seems like it wouldn't really function, right?
Yeah, it didn't want to. See, look, now I'm doing it. See?
Oh no, motor's going. Let's see. I can smell it. No good. What do you think? Brushless upgrade?
Yes.
All right.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us on our little adventure here at Point. Our first time here, and it probably won't be our last, so thanks for joining us.